Alright guys, you are welcome back to this channel. I want to appreciate our 1K subscriber. Oh guys, you are so wonderful for supporting this channel to this level.
Thank you.
So I'm actually making this video based on request from one of our subscriber. So this tutorial will be in two parts. First on Canva and the second part will be on CapCut. So let's go guys. Alright guys, so now I'm in Canva. Okay, so I just have to create my workspace. I tap on this plus icon. Alright, then I tap on custom size. So the size I want to use is 1440 by 720. Alright, then I tap on create design. Alright, so here is my workspace right now. So I just want to create a data comparison between age of West Africa president. Alright, so I want to have about 3 or 4, 5 West Africa presidents with their age just to compare. Alright, so I want to show their picture. I want to show the name of the country and the age of the president, that is each of the presidents. So I need to create some frame and some box, all right, where I'm going to insert my text and the picture. All right, so I go to element, tap on element. All right, so then I will search for circle frame. I want to put the picture of the president in a circle frame. All right, so I will be using this particular one. Okay, all right, before I continue, I want to turn the background to black. It is very important. Turn the background to black. All right, so I can decrease this a bit. All right, then I put it here. So another thing I will be doing right now is that I need a square. I come back to element, I search for square. All right, so this is square. Tap on it, and I can reduce it like this, and I bring it under here. You can see this align. And the third thing I'll be doing is that I need to duplicate this square. I need one more. All right, so let me decrease this. I want to make this a bit longer. Okay, why I will leave this one like this. So I need to make it align. You can see the distance between the frame. This one has turned to a rectangle, the second one, the third one, the square, is 47 pieces. All right, you can see that's one of the good things about Canva. All right, it will automatically help you to align everything properly. All right, so the next thing I want to do now is I want to change the color. I want to make this rectangle a white color, turn it to white. All right, then the next thing I want to do is I want to group the three together. So I come to layers, then I tap on select, then I tap everything I want to group together. The three is selected, then I tap on group. All right, so it has become one. So now I want to duplicate this, so I tap on it like this. Then this is the duplicate icon. I tap on duplicate, then I move it like this. Then I need to align it properly, so the pink lines will guide me to align properly. Then I tap on it again and duplicate. So you can see the distance between the first and the second is 35 pieces, so it's fine. Then I tap duplicate again, and that one has automatically aligned itself. All right, so I have this 4, so as to see properly align it. So I can tap on these 3 dots and tap on select multiple. Okay, all right, so I can now move it together. I want to make it fit at the center. You can see, so this is a perfect template. All right, so the distance between each of the frame and everything are just the same. So then I can now start to insert the object. So the first one, I want to put Ghana here in the first place. So I want to put Ghana here. All right, so I come to text, add the heading, then I can write Ghana, then I bring it here. So I need to change the color from white to something that will show up. Let me put black. So let me go to the font size 40. Okay, let me use about 40. I want to use 40. And the font I want to use, I come to font. I want to use League pattern. I want something that will be bold. Then I can align it properly. So the first frame, I need to put Ghana president. I have the picture saved on my device already. So I tap on gallery. I think this is Ghana president. I think so. This is the picture. So I just need to place it on this frame like this. All right. Then I need to adjust the picture. You know, some part of the head of the president is not showing. So I need to double tap on the picture. I double tap it. Then I can drag it to show the part I want. If I like, I can increase it like this. You can see. I can decrease it like this. All right. So I think it is okay like this. I tap on done. All right. This is what I have. So let me say I just, then the age of Ghana president, I think is 80. So I go to test, add heading, and I write 80. All right. So I move this to this place. Can you see the pink line align everything? So I go to font. I still want to use League pattern. I want something bold. Then the font size, I will increase this. You know, the box is big, so let me use 80. All right. Then I will change the color. Let me use something like this. All right. So then I will repeat the process for the rest. So let me take, for instance, the next is Nigeria. Let me just duplicate this Ghana and bring it here. So I will not be wasting my time. I will just write Nigeria. All right. And this one, let me duplicate and bring there. You can see this align. Can you see the pink line? Okay, right. Then I tap on edit. Maybe I think Nigeria president is 70 or 72. Okay, let me just put 72. I don't know how true that anyway. All right. So then I will import the picture of Nigeria president. Go to gallery. I think I have it. All right. So I will put it on this frame. So I will double tap it to adjust it. All right. You can see. So this is perfect. Tap on done. So I will just repeat the process for the rest. So let me quickly do that. All right, guys. So here is it. So I can see it is properly aligned right now with the help of the automatic guidelines. All right. So I can save this template like this as it is okay. Or if I like, I can still demarcate it with white lines. All right. So what I will just do is that I will go to element. I can just use this square shape. All right. So I'm going to turn it to white color, and I'm going to resize it like this to form a white line. Something like this. All right. So I can extend it, make it long. All right. So something like this. Then I will place it at this middle line. I will take note of the pixel. You can see 12, 12. So that's fine. So then I can duplicate this line. All right. Then I will bring it again. Then I will take note of the pixel as well. You just have to carefully do this. So you can see that's 12. Then I will duplicate again. This is fine. So I can save this as well. Now I'm in CapCut, so I need to tap on new project. All right. And this time around, I will just tap on photo here to import the template I have created on Canva. All right. So here's the template. Okay. I had it. All right. So the first thing I need to do now, since this is my template, the picture I created on Canva, so I can tap this end to extend it. All right. So let me extend it to like 15 seconds. You can see the timing here. So I have a 15 seconds video. So the next thing I will do right now is that I will tap on keyframe. All right. So this keyframe here. Then I will drag this video. I will drag it completely out of the scene. I will drag it out of the scene completely. So just like this. All right. So I will now move to the end of the clip. This is the end. All right. Then I will now start to bring out the template I have dragged out of the scene. I will now start to bring it out. So just tap on it like this, and I will drag it across the scene like this until it is out completely. All right, so just like that. So let me play and let's see what we have. So you can see, so our video is moving already. All right, but that's not the end of it, guys. That's not the end of it. So what I need to do next is that as this is moving out, another one supposed to join at least. It depends on how long you want the video to be. So if it is just 15 seconds, then you can just leave it like this. But it's still not perfect. All right, so what I need to do next is that I need to duplicate this template. So I come down here, I look for duplicates. This is duplicate. All right, it has been duplicated. So you just tap on it and you look for overlay. Then you turn it to overlay. You can see, so it has dropped down. All right, I will long press and drag like this. So let me just drag it here. Okay, that's too much. All right, so you can see now. So that means the first one is going out, then this one, the new one, is coming in. So I will long press on this overlay. I will shift it until they are joined together. You can see. So I will just impose it. I think that's fine. Just like that. So I now have, so my video has increased from 15 seconds to 23 seconds. So let me play and let's see. So you can see, that's just that about, guys. That's just how to create data comparison video, guys. So you can see, so as the first one end, you can see the second stick on it. So you can still tap on this overlay and duplicate again and still overlay it to extend the video. So it depends on how long you want the video to be. But for the sake of this tutorial, I think I will just leave it like this. So another thing you can do is that you may wish to add text to the beginning of it. So you can just come to text, this text, and just put in your text. All right, that's all. Then another important thing is to add sound. I come to audio, then I tap on sound FS. So let me just search for comparison. All right, I have this one. All right, let me just add it. Okay. Alright, so the video ends here. So I will cut out this song, split. I delete this part. Then I need to fade the song. So let me fade it. This is fade under here. I can fade it. Let me just use like 6 seconds. Let me just take it to the ending part so that it doesn't take much of our time. So you can see, so it ends as cool as that. So after then, if you like, you can add text to the beginning so that this place will not be empty. All right, if you like, and the end of it, you can add text. It depends on the project you are creating, but this is just a simple way to create this data comparison video. So if you have any question or concern, comment, corrections, adjustment, whatever you have, you can just drop at the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you in another video. Bye.